They said Nissan is super. Nissan is super. It's bullshit actually. Not great.
BMW is too slow for A+. Even though I got a good launch, I feel like it's too sluggish. Or maybe I should try like a centrifugal supercharger or something.
Nice color, man. Car color. I'm searching for the kind of color. I'm not able to find it. பக்காவை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டான் பார்த்தீங்களா அவன் இல்லை ஆமாம்
Oh my god, this is...
My car just refused to turn for some reason.
He's pushing all the cars in the way and going. Unusually these turns are very, I mean, so steep suddenly.
Yeah.
ஆமா திடீர்னு ரொம்ப வியர்டா இருக்குது.
It's not at all good.
Not this.
So BMW would have been good for this.
எனக்கு என்னமோ டவுட்டா இருக்குது. It's something with the changes in the map or something.
Those are far gone. Can't even see you.
No, we are just under 200 meters.
Yeah.
I see somebody still failing.
What man? This Pac-Man is using unlimited nitrous or what? How come he's going so fast?
It's an electric car, it will go fast.
Why did you? I crashed.
What? You crashed? You did not crash, man. I'm seeing you at the back of you only.
You guys are worried about crashing, right? And I'm barely about to finish.
No, actually we have the same car actually.